Right, time to drain the tank, flush it. So I could have done it on the bike, but the way the tank is shaped, the lowest part is at the back, and that's where all the fuel comes out. So what I've done is basically raise that back part and all the fuel's up here. I'll use a pipe to siphon it off, standard method. The main idea is to catch it in these bottles. I can feel there's a lot of fuel still, and see what it looks like. How bad is it? Fuel absorbs water over time, and that can cause rusting. So I don't know if there's rust formation inside. So I'll only know when I get some fuel out, and we'll see how it gets. I cleaned out the fuel cap area, the inside area. I put some oil in that. Hopefully this will help. It will not jam or something. Let's see. Seems alright. It's good. Yep. Good. Yeah, all fuel here. I see no rusting all around, so it was not standing in the rain or out in the open, so there's no rust formation here because there's no bottles. Right. So time to drain, and let's see what comes out. Right, so finally drained all the fuel. There was quite a bit of it. It took forever. Tank capacity versus tank capacity is about 20, 21 liters, 5, 6, 7, 10, almost 10 liters. So there was like 10 liters of fuel. Damn, losing a lot of money. Yeah, it's looking good. I don't think there's any rust. Maybe at the tag end. Okay. So yeah, it's looking good. Tank's looking good. So it's all drained. So, and this is the old fuel. And for a quick visual comparison, this is fresh fuel. Fresh as in it's, yeah, however long it's been in the fuel station. But so visually you can make out the difference that the older stuff is a lot darker. The fresher stuff is a lot lighter. So how much of a difference does that make to the actual thing? But yeah, this is what this kind of indicates. So this could be because of water absorption. It's the beginning of there's water mixed in this, and I think that's the primary reason for the change in color. So and some of the additives might have broken down. So yeah, so old fuel, year and a half, close to fresh fuel. Yeah, so I'm just gonna flush with this a little bit, and yeah, the tank's good to go. So we are good.